Today, let us see how to use conditional statement in SQL for data filtering. Okay, so what is SQL? SQL is nothing but structured query language, which is used to manage and query the database. Okay, then what is the use of conditional statement? The conditional statement will help us to retrieve specific data. Okay, let us see how can we retrieve. Okay, the famously we have using where and case. Okay, where will filter rows based on the conditions, whereas your case will implement the conditional logic within the queries. So by help of your logical operator such as and, or, and, not. Okay, so these logical operators will help us to combine these conditions. Okay, so let us see the syntax of it. So select star from employees where age is greater than 30. Okay, if you have employees column, and if you want to select the age of greater than 30, the people who are working as an employee more than 30 years of age, then by using this syntax, you can select and retrieve the data from your employees whose age is greater than 30 by the use of your where. Whereas your case, so case, as I say, it uses your conditional logic within the queries. Okay, if I want to retrieve the data wherever the age is 30 and the person who is belonging to the department of sales. If you have different departments such as HR, your support team, okay, you have different teams, all right, department will be there. From the department of sales, I just want to retrieve the person whose age is greater than 30. Then I can make use of my logical operators and. The what and will do is and will ensure whenever the both conditions are met, right? So it will retrieve the data of department where the sales will be and the person whose age is greater than 30. Okay. Same way, you can also use logical operators such as or, and or will allows to either conditions to be met needs to be there for or. Whereas for not, it will be opposite of what it negotiates the conditions. Okay, so these conditional statement will help us to enhance for your data filtering. Okay, so remember that where will be essential for your selecting a specific records, whereas case will applies your conditional logic within the queries. Okay, this is the end of the video. Thank you.